It is a solution of higher mathematics for class 10 under the syllabus of Board of Secondary Education Manipur. Masi higher mathematics class 10 standard ki Board of Secondary Education Manipur ki makhada leiba textbook adu solution ne. Chapter Harmonic Progression solved and presented by Salama Gasinda Singh, lecturer to Higher Secondary School in Pan. Harmonic progression. What is harmonic progression? A sequence AN is called a harmonic progression if the sequence 1 by of AN is an AP. A sequence AN is called a harmonic progression if the sequence 1 by of AN is an AP. Sin AP orabadi AN se magi reciprocal semba sequence C harmonic progression haigani. That is, if there exists a number this such that AP the label number anigi n plus 1 subatam ki value dagi n subatam ki value na khaido posima tampuno makta d have a constant number oirabadi for all n belongs to n. For example, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 6, 1 by 8 is a ISP. Masi ISP the lay. Maramdi si tam si reciprocal d 2, 4, 6, 8 to AP the label nina. Harmonic mean. If three numbers are in ISP, the harmonic progression, then the middle number is called a harmonic mean between the other two numbers. Number ahum ISP the layer number anidugi marakale mayagi number 2 number anidugi harmonic mean namakawi. Thus, if A ISP are in ISP, then IS is called a harmonic mean between the two numbers A and B. So 1 by A, 1 by IS, 1 by B are in AP. This AP is called corresponding AP. Then AP the letter by the second term minus first term equal to third term minus second term. But 1 by IC over term ani C combined to select we get this. And solve, we have IS equal to twice AB by A plus B. This is the formula for finding IS M1 ISM between two numbers A and B. For example, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 6 in are in ISP. Number mari si ahum sa ISP the lere. Then 1 by 4 is called a harmonic mean between 1 by 2 and 1 by 6. Relation between AM, GM and ISM of two unequal numbers. Manadaba masing anigi marakta laiba AM arithmetic mean geometry, GM geometric mean, ISM harmonic mean. Makoi ahum marakta lai number relationship. AM, GM and ISM are in GT. Ariban manadaba number anigi AM, GM, ISM taken in this order GP the laigani. AM na GM the gisawi, GM na ISM the gisawi. Haribasin si pramantaw si. Let A, G, IS, B, AM, GM and ISM between two unequal positive numbers A and B. Then A की value the A plus B by 2 na pigani, G की value the positive square root of product AB na pigani, IS the hujukta phangge bidangari twice AB by A plus B. Therefore, Wanda, Romano Wanda, I coin the A ga IS ka purina C, A की value piro, IS की value piro, simplify to the AB phange. AB have a city G square ne, AB have a city, both side square ga G square ne. Segi coin a masibo karam ne EBI G by A equal to IS by G. Taken in this order, EBR abade A, comma G, IS are in GP. Taken in this order, the GP the laigani. For Roman number 2, A, M, G, and the Sao have the Pramanto C, A, the G, Kaidoki value do positive or abadi A, M, G, and the Sao. A, value Piro, G, value Piro C, taking this and Matak C root over A minus root over B whole square and Pongo Payai. Karigi the Makta, A, M, Subido positive number slowly but now square root of a positive number is meaningful. Aduna Tragadi Yate, negative number Loromadi Yate. Then positive by positive the greater than 0 ni. Positive by positive the 0 or greater than 0 oigani. Sidiki kone karikhange A is greater than G. Sina equation 1 phange. Assume na mathang so amok G na A ga ice ka purina also A into ice the G square phangare. Sidagi di kone si rewrite or abadi Z by ice equal to A by G. A na G dagi saura bani na aso bada pi kone yam by C 1 dagi saura ni. He already G by ISO 1 the Saure, G by ISO 1 the Saure. Adu already G is greater than ice. It's in equation 2. 1 number 2 the Quena Panga combining 1 and 2 we get A is greater than G, G is greater than I. The arithmetic mean is greater than geometric mean, which is greater than harmonic mean. Exercise 2.4 harmonic progression. Question number 1. Find the specified term of each of the following ISP. Makhagi ISP asigi palliba term asigi value putu 10 term of 1 by 4 1 by 7 1 by 10. Hariba ISP asi ki corresponding AP hana puthokani corresponding AP to changsin gani. 1 reciprocal 1 by 1 1 1 by 4 reciprocal 4 1 by 7 reciprocal 7 1 by 10 reciprocal 10 corresponding AP the 1 by 1 reciprocal 1 1 by 4 reciprocal 4 1 by 7 reciprocal 7 1 by 10 reciprocal 10 are in AP the letter. AP the letter, then A is the first term, common difference is 3. Therefore 10 term of this APD A10 the first term plus 10 minus 1 times, so common difference 3. We have A10 to 28 corresponding AP aduna 28 erabadi maha 28 ki reciprocal na given ISP asigi 10 to term hoigani. Therefore the 10 term is corresponding AP ki 10 to term 28 ki reciprocal 1 by of 28 sina require ISP asigi tara to term hoigani. Similarly mathangi so these numbers are in ISP, then their corresponding AP is 3 by 4 reciprocal 4 by 3 1 by 2 1 reciprocally 1 3 by 2 reciprocally 2 by 3 etc. are in AP. AP letter using the kind of fifth term of A5 protoxy first term plus 5 minus 1 times, so common difference 1 by 4 by 3 hydrochloride minus 1 by 3. Simplify total we get 0. Tara suba term adu sorry manga suba term adu 0 ni 0 ki reciprocal di. Therefore the required fifth term of the required ISP is 1 by of this number, that is 0. 0 की reciprocal 1 by 0 C to lale. Question number 3. Find the specified term of each of the following ISP. Sixth term of this. Sixth term putok corresponding ISP corresponding APGC or then A60. Sixth term is first term 1 by 3 plus 6 minus 1 times, for common difference there is 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 is 1 by 3. Let us simplify to 2 pangan. Therefore the required sixth term of the given ISP is 2 reciprocally 1 by 2. Number 4. This is the given ISP corresponding AP to the 1 reciprocal 1 whole 2 by 5 3 by 5 value the I by 5 mark reciprocally 5 by I. 4 reciprocal 1 by 4 are corresponding are in AP. Therefore, C 20 term the if a 20 or 20 term the first term 1 plus 20 minus 1 times, so common difference 3 5 by I take 1 5 over D minus 3 by I, let us simplify to around minus 49 by I point. Therefore, required 20 term is C reciprocal D minus I by 49. N term of this ISP corresponding AP addition 11 into 30 11 into 3D 33 33 to absolutely 35 by 3 reciprocal 3 by 35 ni nipan nipan mari kunthai it must be 4 si 4 oigadaban mari kunthai kuntha manga 35 it must be 4. Then si reciprocal disilerani asumna 7 reciprocal 1 by 7 ni matro kuntha 35 by 6 ki reciprocal 6 by 35. See n term the first term plus n minus 1 times, so common difference the 4 by 35 take 3 by 35 5 1 by 35. Simplify total we get this. See reciprocal na n term of the given ISP organ. Therefore the required n term of the given ISP is reciprocal of this 35 by n plus 2. Find the ISP whose first term is this and fourth term is APM के first term so fourth term फिरम ले ISP तो पुतो है बने. The corresponding for the corresponding AP2 की corresponding AP first term to the C reciprocal, that is I by 25 अदुगा fourth term to the C reciprocal sigi reciprocant duna corresponding AP di 4 term oigani adu orabadi we have this first term plus 4 minus 1 times of d equal to whose value is 13 by 20 from which we have to solve d solve to d value the 11 by 100 phange d khange adu oradi corresponding adugi corresponding AP adudi the corresponding AP is first term dudi I by 25 hore then I by 25 ka d hapchilo second term phange I by 25 by 2 times of the value hapchilo third term phange simplify tarobudi c phangani therefore the required HP api by HP adudi c reciprocal silarani c reciprocal c reciprocal silarani c di kakana raga c phangapone so here mixed fraction that have 25 by I C 3 whole 1 by I is 2 times 2 whole 14 by 43 is 1 whole to 23 by 27 so on. 4 term find the HP whose 4 term is 12 and 14 term is 1 by 42 HP की calculation तब मतलब corresponding AP the all of the code except HP अमसुंग except harmonic में नतना. For the corresponding AP, A4 is 1 by 12 की reciprocal 12 ni 1 by 42 की reciprocal 42 ni. Corresponding AP अदुगी 14 term की value पुथोकने 4 term की A plus n minus 1 times of B equal to 12 सी पालगा कोने A अमसुंग B आउ equation 1 फंगे. Similarly A14 तक सु असुंग bar equation नंबर फंगे. A अमसुंग B आउ bar equation अनि सेगी we have to solve A and B. कोने 2 लगी 1 खाइदो अति A mark नंबर सिंगने D की value दो होती 3 फंगे D की value से 1 द सिंजेलसी A की value खंगे ना बगु दमाग लोने ने A की value सुखी सु फंगे A अमसुंग D खंगा बजे AP अदो corresponding AP दी तोपे and therefore the corresponding AP is first term 3 plus 3 plus 2 times of 3 plus so on C की value sum up to C की reciprocal ना require HP होगी therefore the required HP is C की reciprocal this reciprocal this 9 reciprocal 1 by 9 so on. Find the HP whose 7 term is this, 17 term is this. Positive question nature mane. For the corresponding AP, A7 is 5 by 2, A17 is 25 by 2. Pira even number single reciprocal oigani. Then formula n term formula panjala A7 equal to 5 by 2 C equation 1 pire A17 equal to 25 by 2 C equation 2 C pire. Ani sidagi A khaidong 2 bigi 1 khaidoga D solve togani D value 1 phange D की value तो 1 नटक 2 दा उदी 1 दा सिंजले D की value तो 1 दा सिंजमा मतम दा A की value तो -7 by 2 खंगा A अमसुंग D खंगा दी corresponding AP दी इथोसी therefore the corresponding AP is first term is -7 by 2 minus A plus common difference 1 A plus 2 times of common difference on C value evaluate to this select C की reciprocal जो require HP होगी therefore the required HP is C reciprocal select C की reciprocal select C की reciprocal select so on. Find the 19 term of the HP whose 5th and 10 terms are respectively this. HP adugi corresponding karigumba HP amagi 5th term की value 10 term की value piram le adugumba HP dugi 19 term puto. Dugi process to ka chama nahi corresponding AP dugi loina khola kani A5 की C phange A 10 की C phange value singa C A amasung D solve to gani. 2 digi 1 khai over D की value solve करना होना गनी D की value तो -41 by 45 फंगे तुमने A D की value से 1 द सिंजल बदी A की value अखोना क्या फंगे -11 by 20 फंगे A अमसुंग D खंगे अदु already corresponding AP अदु की 19 term पुतो कनी therefore A19 is the first term plus 19 is the 19 minus 1 the 18 times so common difference solve to running we get number ama फंगनी सी की number दुदी 20 by this sum up already. The 19 term in HP is the required in the 19 term to the reciprocal or any series for reciprocal na -20 by 339. Insert two harmonic means between these two numbers. Let 1 by x, 1 by y be two harmonic means between these two numbers. Then सी ताम सिंग सी रेसिप्रोकल सिंग अदुना AP द सेम अनि AP एम सेम है अदु अलरेडी AP अदुगी दिस मस्ट बी 3 होइगदब सी Z 3 होइगदबन सी Z 3 होइगदब IT1 jana mari suba tam ore 3 jana first term ore sidigi d ki value 26 khange x की value to the x की value the ani suba term ni first term plus common difference 26 29 ahum suba term जो the x star common difference hapchalaga so phangani 56 x amasung y की value phangabadi the two items are 1 by of 29 and 1 by of 50 go 5 it must be 55 oigadaba 55 oigadaba for the next it should three harmonic means the same process the second corresponding epical on thorakani then sigisu 1 by 12 sinamanga suba tamni 5 by 12 sinam first tamni 5 minus 1 b 4 lere sigi d ki value koi puthokani d ki value minus 1 by 12 phanga s ki value the first term plus common difference lani simplify to 1 by 3 y ki value the first term plus that is x the common difference half on x ki value 1 by 3 ni common difference the minus 1 by 12 take simplify to 1 by 4 lere sunna z की x को y का अनि z की वैल्यू वाली z की वैल्यू सु y की वैल्यू द कॉमन डिफरेंस हाफ चलगा फंगनी 1 by 6 ठीक ताम अहुम सिगी रेसिप्रोकेन दुना रिक्वायर हार्मोनिक मीन्स ओइगदबने क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 for harmonic means between 1 and 6 this is chamane 1 by x 1 by y 1 by z 1 by w before harmonic means between 1 and 6 then smokoi की reciprocal with 1 and 4 1 and 6 are in corresponding AP. AP already 6 1 by 6 na mga subata taruk subatam or 1 by 6 plus first term plus 6 minus 1 common difference digi value mas digi putto a minus 1 by 6 pange adu already x ki value di 1 first term da common difference hapsulaga 5 by 6 pange y ki value di x ki value da common difference minus 1 by 6 hapsulaga 2 by 3 pange so z ki value di y की वैल्यू टू y3 दा कॉमन डिफरेंस आपसे लर्निंग फंगे सुन w वैल्यू दी z की वैल्यू हाफ दा कॉमन डिफरेंस आपसे ले 1 by 3 फंगे सिगी ताम सिंग सिगी रेसिप्रोकेन अदुना पिरामी बार रिक्वायरमेंट सिगी हार्मोनिक प्रोग्रेशन सिगी करेस्पोंडिंग ताम मरी दो ओइगन ताम मरी दो between 1 and 6 therefore the harmonic means are this 5 by 6 reciprocal 6 by 5 2 by 3 3 by 2 1 by 2 reciprocal 2 1 by 3 3 insert 3 harmonic means between A and B let 1 by x 1 by y and 1 by z it must be z oigadabani must be z oigadabani between harmonic means between these two numbers then makoy the reciprocal sing ado harmonic means like sin hp or c reciprocal sing jodi it must be 1 by z is 1 by z oigadabani 1 by z sin d oigadaba oigadabani r in hp makoy reciprocal sing aduna amo a p da lerani makoy reciprocal a gi reciprocal this 1 by b lere issue are in CD कोई ना are in corresponding AP or any then 1 by b na kaya sutam or mga subatam or first term plus 5 minus 1 is 4 let d d ki value photoxy d ki value the in terms of evidence na phane d khangabadi the khangabadi mathang term x putokyari first term plus common difference hapo simplify tarasle tino y putokyarabadi x ki value asida common difference hapchal asi simplify taro a plus b by 2 se bi phang tino z putokyaradi y ki value asida common difference hapchal simplify taro si phang x y z phang harmonic mean ahum du putwai bani hari relationship reciprocal therefore three harmonic means between a and b are C reciprocal cellular, C reciprocal cellular, C reciprocal cellular. 5. If P term of an ISP be Q and the Q term be P, prove that P plus Q term is PQ by P plus Q. For the I speed, the P term is P and Q term is P. The she should P oigadabani. Is oigadab. Therefore, for the corresponding AP, the P term is 1 by Q and that of Q term is 1 by P. Using this formula, we get 4 times 1 by P ACD in a pair subana 1 by P 1 by Q. What must be true? 1 by Q asina P subatamo decision equation 1. 1 by P asina amukso 1 by P asina equation 2 or Q subatamo rabanina. The value C P oigadabani. One two kaido si a mangan si d solve to si d की value si फंगे अमुक्सु a की value पुथोना by equation 1 that d की value si jealousy a की value d 1 by p q फंगे d अमसुंग p की a अमसुंग d की value si चप माना रहे therefore p plus q term of the ap the first term plus p plus q minus 1 times of common difference solve to the p plus q by p q फंगे the corresponding hp the p term is this Therefore, the required P plus Q term of the ISP is given ISP is reciprocal period. Roman number 2, n term is PQ by n. N term is also n term of the corresponding AP A plus n minus 1 times of the A so the value simplified to the n by PQ. Therefore, n term of the corresponding given ISP to the reciprocal period. For Roman number 3, P into Q term is matak n asida P Q official of P Q to P already 1 point. Number 6, if the P, Q and R terms of an HP be ABC respectively so that Q minus R times of BC plus R minus P times of CA plus P minus Q times of AB equals 0. These are this. Therefore, corresponding P sub Q sub R sub term of the corresponding AP R 1 by A 1 by B 1 by C. Using this formula for AP, we get 1 by A as C x plus P minus 1 by X as P sub term of the P minus 1 times of B. Assume now 1 by B as Q sub term 1 by C as C sub R sub term. Equation 1 dagi 2 kaido of X mangan kinaba si phangani 4. 2 dagi 3 kaido X mangan kinaba si phangani with D ga thangai hora unknown or C. For the family law we get D mangan naba makoi ani si purina si actual cross multiply and to get this expression we get this expression Q minus R times of BC simplify to the section gather with Q minus R times of BC Q minus R times of BC the puri raw amuksu P minus Q times of AB P minus Q times of AB asigi apamba expression the pangora lemo wishing to the apamba tam singer do the sida Q minus R times of BC the portion of apamba sima kame P minus 2 times of ABC Mapanga Honorani, Lemo with the Sigi Mapum, actual expand turn Toraga, Tarkanaraga, repair times of Pangana Honagan. The Jeep I report to Chidapana Shilang, AC Kamalo Poker. Simplify to a result to Tare. If A square, B square, C square are in A, P prove that B plus C plus A plus B are in ISP. C AP the later now second term minus first term equal to third term minus second term is going to simplify to the C function. P the expression C function select then amuksu C AP the later this corresponding single second term reciprocal is like third term is first term reciprocal is like kaidoni value put equation 1. Sumna amuksu third term reciprocal 1 by A plus B second term reciprocal 1 by C minus A sum up to simplify to respective value simplify the C minus B by A plus B, C minus B by A plus B adu to kanala sindokre, B minus A by B plus C sindokre. So this is equation 2 lare. ani c b minus a c a right ani si manare left ani si manarani left ani si manarabadi si tam taken in this order la a p de la c a p c gi reciprocal sing ado I p de la hen b c reciprocal c ni c reciprocal c ni c reciprocal c r in I p